How to make your WhatsApp account business. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually make your WhatsApp account business, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you have been using WhatsApp for personal use, but now you want to use it for business. For that you have the WhatsApp business application as well from Meta themselves, so make sure you download the WhatsApp business app from your Play Store or your App Store. Now let's say you only have one phone number which you are using on your personal WhatsApp and you want to use that on your WhatsApp business as well. You can actually do that. But if you have a second phone number, then that's even better, because that is going to actually help you separate your personal and professional stuff. So assuming it's WhatsApp business app, go ahead and tap on agree and continue. See, you can use the same phone number which you use on your main WhatsApp ID, or you can choose to use a different number. If different, then even better. And once you've done that, just go ahead and then make sure to enter the phone number that you would like to use. Tap on next. Make sure you have access to that phone number. It is going to automatically verify it, so just wait for the verification process to complete. It will request a call, automatically verify it, and your WhatsApp account will be converted into a business account as well. This way you can make your WhatsApp account business. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.